Hello, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist here at Tech Travel Geeks, and in this video I'll show you how to take screenshots on the POCO F7. Because the POCO F7 is made by Xiaomi, it is highly likely that the same methodology will also work with Xiaomi and Redmi smartphones. But let's get to the point. Just turn on the screen, unlock your smartphone, and if you want to take a screenshot wherever you are on your phone in terms of apps, just use the volume button down and power button, just one quick press, and it will take a screenshot. And then you'll have the screenshot in the top right hand corner goes into quick edit mode, so you can crop it, you can mark it up, you can highlight sections, and that's it. Then you press the tick and that's it done. And if you're wondering where that's gone, it will be in your gallery, so you'll see I have that screenshot I just took here, or in the Google Photos app, it should show up there amongst in your screenshots folder. You can then decide if to back that up or not. So just quickly to show it to you again, just remember to just do it quickly, volume down and power, takes a screenshot, and that's as simple as it is. Please also bear in mind that some apps, such as banking apps or apps that have a privacy element to them, can block you from actually taking screenshots of their app. So you may be able to go through the motions and you'll get a blank screenshot for the application view. Anyway, if you have any questions, if you'd like to know more, please do leave us a comment in the section below. We'll do our best to get back to you. And as usual, if you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. We cover consumer electronics, gadgets, accessories, and anything else we think makes the travel experience better. Anyway, we're getting on with our use of the POCO F7. I'm quite enjoying it, and our long-term review will be out soon. But for now, thanks for watching, and goodbye from me.